And welcome back to the Legal Eagle, and today we're going to discuss artificial intelligence and its role in law. Well, today we're looking at the emerging use of artificial intelligence in the courtroom by lawyers and even by judges use this technology in cases, and we're going to take a look at that now. And a New York lawyer is facing a court hearing. He has already faced a court hearing. Actually, it was a case whose his firm used an AI tool called ChatGPT for legal research. And now the case involved a man suing an airline over an alleged personal injury. His legal team submitted a brief that cited several previous court cases in an attempt to prove using precedent why the case should move forward, and the judge said the court was faced with unprecedented circumstances after a filing was found to reference example legal cases that did not exist. They saw ChatGPT throw up a list of cases. He used them as a legal precedent to fight some of the arguments that were against, and these cases were found not to exist. So I suppose that is the dangers of artificial intelligence. They can throw up results that doesn't exist. So there's one example. The lawyer that used the tool told the court he was unaware that its content could be false. So that's one example of a lawyer using artificial intelligence. Didn't work out. So the judge said 6 of the subsequent cases appear to be bogus judicial decisions with bogus quotes and bogus internal citations. Judge Castell in New York wrote in an order demanding that the man's legal team explain itself. So there you go. That can be some of the pitfalls about using artificial intelligence in legal research and use them as arguments towards a court submission. There was another case in the Netherlands that Mr. R.J. van Ocht proudly admitted to consulting the AI in his assessment of a dispute between two homeowners fighting about whether an extension to one person's home reduced the efficiency of the other's solar panels. And the judge in the Gerland case asked ChatGPT to pump out facts about solar panels that directly contributed to the amount of damages paid to the defendant in the case. So the assessment was given, an award came out, and that award was given by the court. So there's another example of artificial intelligence being used in judicial decisions in Europe. And now a bit closer to home in the UK, it was quoted in the Telegraph that Lord Justice Briss said, "I think what is of most interest is that you can ask these large language models to summarize information, and it is useful and will be used, and I can tell you I have used it." So there you go. Judges have used it themselves. He reckons it will be used into the future. I do agree with him that it will be used into the future, but it could be argued that using AI technology in cases could expose clients' data and breach a client's confidentiality, as using AI clients' information could be stored in a database, and it could be argued that this would breach a client's data protection rights, and it could open the door to litigation in the law of torts, and this is known as a claim of negligence for lay people, and even a breach of fiduciary duties, as one's legal representative using AI technology could create an unfair imbalance, in my opinion, against the other person in the case. And in my opinion, now, I think AI does have a place in legal research, but should not replace the need for judicial opinion or judgment, as a person makes that judgment with the mind and the heart, all of which artificial intelligence cannot replicate. And furthermore, in my opinion, the legal profession, not just in Ireland but the UK and worldwide, they owe a duty of care to represent their clients' best interests with due care and diligence, and again, artificial intelligence cannot replicate this. So I hope you enjoyed this short educational video on the advancing use of AI technology intelligence in the legal world of the future. So do subscribe for free for more good videos. We're going to be hopefully out soon at the housing protests coming up